What's good, YouTube? Y'all, we're back with another video with another POV drive. Y'all can see it's a beautiful day for a POV drive. You know, y'all get y'all POV drive, you feel me? Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like and comment down below what kind of videos y'all would like to see, and turn on your post notifications. Yeah, I've been looking into some cameras, so that should be coming to the channel real soon. We'll go ahead and get a camera for the YouTube for that better content and audio. I'm tired of this iPhone shit. It's time to upgrade. You know what I'm saying? Gotta go all in with it. No half step. You feel me? It is in regular mode. I ain't even got the car in sport or nothing right now. We just chilling. It's a Saturday. Police out. Yeah, POV drive in the 392. You hear me? McDonald's smelling a little good over there. Alright, McDonald's. Gonna make me pull up. How y'all been feeling, man? How y'all been doing? I'm doing alright, you know what I'm saying? We doing better for sure. But it is what it is, cuz. You know what I'm saying? If you going through anything, you know what I'm saying? Just pray, keep God first, and you know what I'm saying? Believe in Him, believe in what you pray for. Always keep faith in Jesus, you know what I'm saying? Because He's testing you. Every moment, He testing your faith. So before you receive what you pray for, He wants your faith and He wants you to believe. You know what I'm saying? So, just pray about it. As much as you think about it, pray about it. You're gonna be alright. You hear me? You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be alright. But we're just cruising, y'all. We ain't cutting up. There ain't no POV cutting up video. This a chill cruising video on a Saturday. Beautiful skies, pretty skies. Feel good outside, so I had to come bring y'all a nice, beautiful view video type shit. You feel me? If y'all wondering, I did not get the car fixed yet, bro. I didn't even go see about. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even get an estimate. I ain't do nothing. I really haven't been worrying about this car. I just been having so much other stuff going on, y'all. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I'm holding in there though. I'm gonna find something. I'm gonna find a solution to my problems. Yeah, man. Like I say, and like I always say, if you watching, hit that subscribe button. It's free. You know what I'm saying? Support me. Subscribe. It won't hurt nothing. You just, you know what I'm saying, showing love. Show some love. You know what I'm saying? They got a meet tonight, and I ain't gonna say where it's at, but if that big, shit. It should be packed, but I don't know if I'm gonna drive my car, because unfortunately I still got that dent and that shit is ugly, and I'm not trying to bring my car looking like how I look. That's stupid. But I do want to get some content for y'all, so if any one of my partners go, I'm gonna hop in the car with them, but I ain't driving this bitch. Just gonna stay right there at the crib. It's not ready to be out at a car meet right now. I got a lot of stuff I gotta fix on it. Everything gonna fall into place, y'all. Like I said last video, y'all haven't watched it. I want a new car and I am working on it, but I don't know how long it's gonna take. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's not easy to go get a car on your own or go get a car, period. So I know for sure I got a new car coming soon, though. I'm not keeping this because I brought this car brand new with 0 miles, and I only been having it for like 2 years now, and I done put 50,000 miles on this car already. And a lot of people probably think that's not bad, but me personally, I feel like that's really not a good range for a car like this. 50,000 miles, and about time I trade it in, might have 60 to 70,000 miles, and that is not gonna give me what I want for it. That's why I really was trying to get rid of it quick, but fortunately I can't right now. I got a little bit more work to do. So with that being said, y'all just stick by. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, because I swear, whenever I pop out and something new, for sure, whatever car I get is gonna for sure be a supercharged under the hood. But whatever it is, y'all know the content gonna be Prussian. I know the content gonna be Prussian. Really want a CTSV on some shit. We're gonna see. I don't know if I want a Hellcat. I just want something different what everybody ain't got. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody got these Scats now, everybody got 392s. I just want something different. But let me think, bro. If you watching this video and you want a 392, you want a Scat pack, man, you look, man, just keep grinding for it. You gonna get it, bro. When I tell you, all my partners got 392s, bro. We all, bro, like most of us, like 19, 18, and through 22, like, yeah, we around that range, about 19 through like 24, 25. Man, we all got these cars, you know what I'm saying? So if we can do it, I know y'all can. You know what I'm saying? I know you can for sure. There ain't no difference in between us and y'all, you. So y'all just keep grinding. You gonna get what you want, bro. Just pray for it. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, keep your faith in God, and you should receive whatever you pray for. You know what I'm saying? But the hype is really overrated with these cars. Like a year or two back, that's when it used to be lit, but now it's just like, you know what I'm saying? Nothing is not the same anymore. So a lot of stuff done changed over the last year or two. But I mean, don't get me wrong, it's still cool to drive them. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I'm trying to upgrade at this point. I'm trying to upgrade, bring better content, and you know what I'm saying? Go up with the YouTube. I want to hit that gas and hit a whining, that supercharged crying under the hood, you know? I want something that's gonna scream. Video is 8 minutes and 30 seconds now. I'm gonna try to get a little bit longer video for y'all. I don't know what to post, bro, so I'm just gonna get that POV drive, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's key right there. You always gotta stay consistent. So I always find, if you doing YouTube, I always find something to post. It don't matter what it is, just make sure you post something. You just don't want to post anything, and you know, and trying to grow with the YouTube stuff. Every video counts. So go out there, pick up your camera, record, edit, and put it out there. And keep doing it. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna make it. You're gonna get there. We're growing together. I believe in myself, so shit, y'all should believe in yourself. You know what I'm saying? It might take time, it might not. You never know. You might make that right video and the video blow, and then you get most of your subscribers from there, get monetized, and you just keep going from there. Because once I get monetized, that's gonna really make me really want to go hard to YouTube, because I'm bringing income in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm doing something I love doing and then making like a few dollars off of it starting. Like, who wouldn't that be motivating to? Like, that's motivation right there. Like, it just make you want to keep going. It's like, damn, I don't care if it's $10, nigga. I'm making videos and I'm making money off of it. Shit, nigga, that's a blessing, boy. Y'all, this the end of the video. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit that like button. You feel me? And please just comment down below and let me know what kind of videos y'all would like to see, because I'm out of ideas, man. I'm running through with the ideas. I don't know what to do. So y'all help me out, bro. Love y'all. Y'all stay blessed. And
yeah, so I'm not like it, got how I'm living. Low-key, I'm done with this music, down how I'm feeling. I got niggas won't kill me, bro, be careful, drug dealing. Free my brother, I wish I could get him out of that building. Don't let my one think about you, I get down in my feelings. Miss my mama, I wish I was dead and she was still living. So much pain and I'm